exit. Okay. Keep going. Turn. Okay, now go.